Well guys, welcome back to the channel. It's August the 20th and it's a very wet morning here in South Cumbria, but there's something else that I'm really excited about and want to share with you, so bear with me. So this just arrived yesterday afternoon and it's sent from Chen and it's a trail camera from Gardepro. It's the E8 20 Pro model Trailcam, and so just a quick unboxing here. So that's the actual Trailcam itself. Do this one-handed. It feels quite substantial. We'll have a look at the spec and everything in a minute. And here is a solar panel, so you can rig that up. Depending on where you set your trail cam, you rig your solar panel up, and obviously that's going to supply the power and everything. Again, we'll have a closer look at that in just a minute. Okay, let's look inside the box. So that explains about your lithium-ion battery pack, instruction manual and safety requirements. And this is the instruction manual for the actual trail camera. Again, the model is the E8 20 Pro Trail camera. And you get this storage card. And that looks 64GB. So once I've got it out of the packaging, you can see it's a fairly sturdy unit. And it's got protective things just now on the lenses and everything. You've got two folding antennas, and then also you get a charging lead with a USB adapter, and then this heavy duty tie. So I think the idea is you can sort of strap it around a tree trunk or something like that if you're filming out. If you're putting the trail cam out in, say, woodland or anything like that, then that's sort of, you can secure it with this. So the model is the SP1000. So there's your instruction manual. So you can see it's quite a large, sturdy, solid looking thing. You've got a DC jack with it. It looks like there's perhaps a different set of mounting clamps, so you get some plugs and screws in this here, which looks adjustable. And then again you get a nice mounting strap there. And then this DC cable goes into the bottom of the trail cam in there. So I just want to show you the actual trail cam then in a little bit more detail. So it's got a lock hinge here that then gives you access to the battery on the right hand side there, lithium-ion battery pack, and then your control panel here, complete with viewing screen for reviewing footage, etc. And then the controls here. Then if we turn it over, at the base, that's the input for the DC jack. There's a microphone here. The SD card slot is just here. And then there's another input for the charge cable just there. And then on this side you've got a 1/4 inch thread that allows this to be attached to a tripod. So then to simply close that, you just go like this, and that's it. Now if I show you from the side view, to show the back view like that, and then turn it around to the side. You've got a hole through here, so this buckle strap will go through these parts here, so that enables you to secure it to a tree trunk, etc. And then you've got a hole through both sides here, which allows you to put a security cable, and then you can put a padlock on or whatever to secure it from theft and things like that. So I can't wait to get this tried out. So what I'd like you to do is, this is just an unboxing video really, and I'll put a link down below to the product where you can get it from. But what I'd like to do is watch out on the channel for a future upcoming video. I'm going to really get this tried out, and we'll see kind of what it picks up and what it's like. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Please do check out, I'll put a link down below in the description to the product so you can go and see for yourselves, and do look out for a future video where once I've got my head around everything and the format setting up and everything, I will put a video up and we'll see it in action.